Understanding field trips. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English vocabulary, field trips. This term is commonly used in educational contexts, and understanding its meaning can really enrich your English language skills. Let's dive in. A field trip refers to an educational journey taken by students and teachers outside their regular school environment. It's a hands-on learning experience where you can see, touch, and interact with the subjects you're studying. For instance, visiting a museum, a historical site, or a scientific laboratory can all be considered field trips. Field trips are more than just a fun outing. They serve several educational purposes. Enhancing classroom learning, they complement and enhance what's taught in the classroom. Real-world experience. Students gain practical exposure to real-world situations. Interactive learning. They offer a more interactive form of learning than traditional classroom methods. Let's look at some common examples. Natural History Museum, ideal for biology or history lessons. Science centers, great for physics or chemistry topics. Art galleries, perfect for art and cultural education. Farms or factories, for practical insights into agriculture or manufacturing. Field trips offer multiple benefits. Enhanced understanding. Students often understand complex concepts better. Increased engagement. They help in engaging students more effectively. Broader perspective. Students gain a broader perspective of the world. I hope this video helps you understand the concept of field trips and their significance in education. They are an exciting part of learning English and understanding different cultures and subjects. Keep exploring and learning, and see you in our next video.